The wind mask or window mask is another way to create masks within Vizrt. And to demonstrate this, we're just going to drag an image into our scene tree or scene editor window here. We'll scale this up so that it almost fills the screen. Then we're going to go into our built-ins, into the container plugins, and within the globals folder, there's this window mask. And we're going to drag this onto our container. Once we do that, you can see that the container pretty much disappears. To help you out with this plugin, it's probably best to turn on the bounding box, and this is going to allow us to see this little yellow box up here, which refers to the window mask. So if I click on the window mask icon to go into the properties editor, the first thing you notice over here is the position. So as I start to move this position, you can see that yellow box start to move. We can move it on the X and we can move it on the Y. Below that we have a width, so we can increase the width of this or decrease the width of it. And as we increase it, you can see that it reveals more of this image that we had the window mask on. We can increase the height too, and now it reveals more of that image that way. So this is a quick way to create a mask within Vizrt, and you don't get any soft edges or anything. This is just a rectangle mask.